สุดท้ายเนี่ยตั้งออกนี้สายบายสายเลเวลวันส่งสวัสดีตกันเมรินที่ปีต้มเปือที่ประมูลได้ศึกษาอัมพีเปียสำนูสำหรับสู่อัมพีที่กันแหลง Yes let's continue Where is it? Where is it? Where is equal where's it is equal its Where's the book? Where's the book? It's on the desk. It's on the desk. Where's the map? Where's the map? It's on the wall. It's on the wall. Where's the pen? Where's the pen? It's on the desk. It's on the desk. Where's the board? Where's the board? It's on the wall. It's on the wall. Where's the clock? Where's the clock? It's on the table. It's on the table. Where's the ruler? Where the ruler? It's on the chair. It's on the chair. Where's the pencil? Where the pencil? It's on the desk. It's on the desk. Where's the clock? Where's the clock? It's on the wall. It's on the wall. Where's the notebook? Where's the notebook? It's on the table. It's on the table. Where's the dictionary? Where the dictionary? It's on the bookshelf. It's on the bookshelf. Now everyone let's practice. Listen and check. ស្ដាប់ហើយដាក់សញ្ញាគ្រីសមានន័យថាស្ដាប់ហើយយើងដាក់សញ្ញាគ្រីសនៅក្នុងប្រអប់នៅក្រោមរូបភាព Yeah let's start Where Where's the book? Where's the book? It's on the desk. It's on the desk. Yeah, let's check. Yes, continue. 2. Where the dictionary? Where the dictionary? It's on the chair. It's on the chair. 3. Where the ruler? Where's the ruler? It's on the desk. It's on the desk. 4. Where the map? Where's the map? It's on the bulletin board. It's on the bulletin board. 5. Where the clock? Where's the clock? It's on the bookshelf. It's on the bookshelf. Where the computer? Where the computer? It's on the table. It's on the table. Yeah, everyone, are you finished? Yeah, let's go and check the answer. Now, let's check. Listen and check. 1. Where the book? Where's the book? It's on the desk. It's on the desk. Yeah, let's check. 2. Where the dictionary? Where the dictionary? It's on the chair. It's on the chair. Yeah, let's check. Three. Where the ruler? Where's the ruler? It's on the desk. It's on the desk. Yeah, let's check. 4. Where the map? Where's the map? It's on the bulletin board. It's on the bulletin board. Yeah, let's check. 5. Where's the clock? Where's the clock? It's on the bookshelf. It's on the bookshelf. Yeah, let's check. 6. Where the computer? Where's the computer? It's on the table. It's on the table. Yeah, let's check. Yeah, everyone, check your exercise, please. Are you okay? Yes, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe. You will get new lesson automatically. Thank you.